Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Draftbit projects to continue building your no-code app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your Draftbit projects, start by opening the Draftbit application on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Projects tab on the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of your existing projects. Locate the project you wish to restore. If your project is archived, check for the Archived Projects link or section. Click on that link to view archived projects. Find your desired project in the archive list. Once you locate the project, select it to open its details. Look for an option to restore the project, which may be labeled as Restore or Unarchive. Click on the Restore option. Confirm the restoration if prompted. Your project will now be moved back to your active projects list. Return to the Projects tab to see your restored project. Click on the project to open it and continue building your app. Review any last changes or updates that may need to be addressed. Make sure to save your work periodically to prevent data loss. Explore your project settings to ensure everything is configured as desired. Once you've finished your adjustments, you can test the app functionality. Continue building your no-code app to bring your ideas to life. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.